I don't know. I've been getting cold chills though.
Yeah, I get it.
But hell,
I was getting chilled down that way. Gary, you got anything you want to say?
yeah, some again.
You got anything you want to say, Gary? Staying in here, Gary?
That's why I was getting high hits earlier. There's a whole line right here.
It don't make any sense. There's nothing out here.
Yeah. See? There's a whole line of it. See? So that's what I'm saying. There's like a whole line right here.
This really gets solid. Does what? Right.
As I said, there ain't really nothing.
Doesn't make any sense.
There ain't nothing above you. There shouldn't be no. Yeah, I've been trying to figure out
It's a big area, though.
EMF. You know, I had the same thing happen to me at the school one time. And the next time I went back,
Wasn't there?
it wasn't there.
Well, the school's got a portal.
That's what I'm thinking. Maybe there's a portal.
That hallway.
There might be a portal right here. Yeah, the hallway. That's where it was before.
Yeah.
Well, I couldn't track down nowhere. There might be a portal right here.
You never know.
It's spiked. What's
That
that?
might have been my phone.
Yeah.
That might have been my phone. I was going to tell you, guy was right here, like sweeping. He saw me go in there to that door. He turned around and saw me come out of the bathroom. And that was me that actually came out of the bathroom. Because I just saw you go in there. It's doppelganger. Yeah.
Doppelganger, yeah. This is where you're going to spend the rest of your life, Phil.
Bullshit.
At work. You're going to spend the rest of your life at work.
Bullshit.
Going to keep you on the time clock.
I got better things to do than be here.
Gary, ain't Phil going to work here the rest of his life?
Bullshit.
Bullshit.
I think he's going to push you out, Phil. Set.